Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reason.
So today we are at the Changchui and there's a Thep behind us. So this place you can have a lot of shoppings here and there's an airport and you can experience for real. And there's no entrance fee. So let's check out.
You're still on my mind, let's not waste no time. Just tell me how you're feeling, you still have my heart. Although we've been apart, let's go back to the start. I think we're both too brief. See the tunnel light, it's never been so bright. I haven't lost the fight, you let me keep believing. You still give me chills, I do it for the thrill. Yeah, you still give me chills. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise, just stop your angel wings. Continue what we do and build the trust again. You can tell me
what's good about this place is that we get inside here and it's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything and you have an airplane and you can also use the slider behind. Now we are gonna just have brunch.
It's not like I need them. I just want.
What do you order?
I ordered duck salad and a mango passion.
I feel like loving you is like committing a crime. How can you make me come and act just at the same time and let you take the crown? You made me nervous and I pretend that I'm just fine. I don't know why you gotta keep messing with my mind. Let me open up my heart and let you inside.
I like the fact that we can come up here and we can pretty much see a lot of things like 360 degrees from here of this community mall. So I think it's pretty cool.
Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share my contents if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.